Some people haven't given me the kind of perks which they're giving him. I've got him on board. But yes, they are hiring. And I'm going to confess the fun I've been having there, because I've always been interested in SEO and not really understood it. But now I'm actually working for the SEO team. And so I'm getting to see it as a developer. And so I hope I can share that with you, you'll understand it, and maybe not have to outsource all your SEO, which is pretty expensive and pretty risky, as you'll see. So, right. So the structure of this talk is, first of all, I'll tell you what SEO is, then I'll tell you how to change your search engine ranking as far as possible. And no one's going to find that particularly hard or complex to understand. This is the really wacky stuff, which is what search engine optimization experts think. I'm going to take you something so inside their heads. So the answer is, how do you say what SEO is? It's increase your organic search traffic. I'm going to try and pull that part of it. So first of all, keyword. Keyword is not a word. Keyword is like whatever you type in Google search. It could be a sentence or a phrase or just a random string. And keyword search volume is, I'm not only talking Google, because Google is the search engine of this company, okay? I'm not sure how well this translates to other search engines, so forgive me if you're doing something in Russia. So the keyword search volume is the number of times per month that someone uses the keyword. The site keyword ranking, the better rank is 1. That's the best rank you can have. And so it's the top of the page when you type in that keyword Google. If you're there, you've got ranking 1. Organic search traffic. So if someone comes to your site after typing the keyword Google and doesn't click an ad, but clicks on the search results, that's called an organic site arrival. So they're kind of organic search traffic. And Googlebot is Google's thing which crawls around the websites, collecting data about them, and deciding how to rank them. And the search results page is what you get when you type it. Very simple. That's it. Right, terminology is done. So what we get from this is that search engine optimization is a way of increasing the traffic to your site through Google search. Okay. Now I'll just quickly take you through all the ways that you can improve things with SEO. First is the content. Metadata is the first. So all these things in your header, where you say meta, the description, the title, these are the kind of things that Google puts a lot of emphasis on. And what you'll see if you're searching Google and looking on the search results page, these are the things you pop up. You also put in here things like don't index this, don't follow this page. Don't index means I don't want you to show on the Google search results. No follow means don't put the links that this is pointing at. Don't index them. Right. JSON, everyone knows what JSON is. So you can put some JSON LD markup in your page, and Google will digest that and parse it because it's markup that it knows how to interpret. If it's just random text, it'll only guess. If you take the meaning of your page and cram it into JSON for Google to read, that helps. And the text which is directed at humans, if the keywords match the search queries which you want to appear against, then that really helps. It sounds obvious, but it's sometimes easy to remind it. Architecture is a word I use when I don't know any other category to put it in. So there's robots.txt file, so site example.com/robots.txt. That's code for Google to read, and they say, oh yeah, that's where I find the sitemap, which is an XML file, which I'll show you later. Don't send people that page, I think, is what disallow is. But just be aware that it's there and read the documentation on how you provide it. That's a sitemap, some ugly XML, which tells Google's bot what the pages are on your site and the relationship. Like this says it's an alternate page to this, which is the main page. So whatever that means, which side is this? It's not a good example, but what it's saying is that the Google bot should be the Google search results page should be presenting you that page, even though the content here is the same. So the important thing, I guess, to know from this is that this one, because it says it's alternate, it's not going to compete with that one in Google search ranking. Another part of the architecture is that you got this Google bot who's crawling around your site. If you have lots of loops and stuff, then the bot's going to waste a lot of time walking around in circles rather than finding all the pages on your site. So have a tree structure, a shallow tree structure if you can. JavaScript, Java, all this kind of stuff. The bots aren't that clever, so don't publish them. So it's if you've just decided that this page that you're working on is actually a mess, you don't want Google to scrape it and use that in its results at the moment, be careful about which 300 you're using for a redirect. Okay? If you use 301, then it's never going to come back. So read the descriptions of all these codes before you use them. Similarly with these 4 excesses, which are when you don't let someone visit the page. Okay? Because Google actually pays attention to that code and allocates the page accordingly, and it can be hard to recover. Again, Google's bot reads that, so if you put something with a meaning in the path, that's helpful. And also these things after question mark, if you can, have the structure of the site in here rather than there. Because what they say is that Google's bot makes more sense than this. So I have an SQL metaphor is that this is kind of like joining tables, and after that is kind of like the where clause. So give the parts of the path meaningful names. And as I said before, a canonical for a page with content which is similar to another page with another page is helpful so that they don't compete with each other.
I was just going to say very quickly while you're on the subject, in the URL, if you use hyphens and not underscores,
Yep.
because it'll treat hyphens as separate words, whereas it won't with
I
underscores.
didn't know that. Thank you.
And also it's easy to type hyphen and underscore, you don't have to go to the shift key.
True. Is that thing? Yeah. Oh, yeah. And the case also matters. Right. Page load time is important for Google. So make your site fast. Everyone's happy, especially in terms of mobile stuff. Which Google's putting a lot of emphasis on how mobile can be your site is. And HTTPS is also, we think, something which they need to be prioritizing very soon now. Right.
Sorry, the plus or minus?
HTTPS.
Being a plus or a
Yes.
minus?
Plus as far as Google are concerned, and minus as far as the government are concerned.
Right, and so here's the hard bit, measuring. First thing you should do is chuck that in the beginning of each page. It says feed data back to Google on people who are loading the page, who they are, all that kind of stuff. And to start doing this, just get yourself a Google Analytics account. It's very straightforward. Then you can get more information just by writing that and typing that into your Chrome browser. Thank you. would do that for you, but then I'll use the slides. You know, you just type in cache or site instead of HTTP and you get information on what Google knows about that page. This is me looking at the ranking of my own site, and I was in position 1 for these keywords up until it was late December, and then it started bouncing around, sort of ranking above 5 sometimes, and then I just went and had a look at Moz, which is a very helpful Google Analytics Search Engine Optimisation company, and they said, oh yes, Google made this announcement on this date, and I still haven't been able to pull it apart and get back down to the one yet, but haven't been much of it. But the bottom line is, you watch your ranking, which you can get in Google Analytics by following this path, and then if you see it bump up too high, find out what's changed, or find out if you have a competitor, or if you started cannibalizing yourself, and you can try and improve your ranking numbers. Right, here's another bit of another tool which Google provides, and you can actually inform it with how you want it to traverse your site. So this comes along with getting a Google Analytics account.
But this is specific to Google, whereas the robots.text will be looked at by all search engines.
Yeah, to the extent that matters. Yeah.
And they are please or the disallowed bits.
Most search engines, crawlers have got an option where it says ignore the robots.txt file, so don't rely on it to protect stuff.
Yeah. No, it's everything's kind of in addition. There's nothing to really trust. So this is what SEO developers, SEO people do. They have a look at the stats from last year, last month, last week, and say, oh, we see these patterns, and so we're going to predict that over a week, sort of goes up on Monday and then sort of pees out the rest of the week. They try and find these patterns week on week, and then instead of saying we just try to push up our ranking every day, we say, oh, we hope that on Mondays it's going to improve compared to last Monday. And so there are various tools you can use, none of which I think Google provides, to help you compare your performance of the site across each other over various periods. Cannibalism I mentioned before, but I think I can't mention enough. You can be your own main enemy if you have pages which are similar to each other. You can have one page which has enough content to get you to position 1 in the search engine optimization, the search results page, but if you have 2 similar ones, it can be down to 5, because Google only lets you have this many points for this site. Okay. Then you can look at through Data Studio. You can feed data from Google Analytics and make nice graphs, which I've done. And I found that my site was getting lots of sessions on this day, and then found out that a lot of them were coming from there. And I took that out, and then I got a nice smooth graph, which is much smaller, better for the eye, inside. So this is a very helpful tool that you get. And it takes like 10 minutes to figure out how it works. And you can do all these various things like put a graph of the sessions and the duration of the session, number of pages per session, and see how they relate. And I'm kind of glad that the duration is higher than the pages per session. I understand that they do lots of pages and they're not doing much. Maybe it's a bot, that kind of stuff. Well, probably not actually, because for it to be a session it means that the cookie keeps going back. So can I be changing the content of that for another question there? And then something else is that Google will have a look at social media sites which don't actually necessarily have HTTP or example.com, but mentions your site name, and it actually collects that as being a reference to your site. And I can see that actually, so this is by a social referral, it's on a different scale, but actually has quite serious impact. I never realised that until I started looking at this, that social referral would be an important source of links to my site. And so finally, obviously, I guess, if you get someone coming to your site and staying there and doing what everybody's wanted to do, and then they go and talk about it elsewhere, then you get more people coming to your site through social referrals. So even though it's not really SEO, actually making the content of your site good is helpful. Okay, and that I think is all I have to say. Yep. Any questions?
Is Moz.com free to use?
Some things are.
Okay.
Yeah. They have lots of items.
I think it's worth stressing that what Google wants to do is put at the top of the search rankings the page that people are actually trying to find when they make that search.
Yeah.
So the most useful thing you can do is to actually be the place people are trying to get to when they do that search. And all the rest of it is either helping Google understand that that really is the case, or trying to trick Google into believing that's the case.
Yeah. Helping
But
people walk
the
first.
primary thing is about having the right content. That means that somebody who's just done that search, this is the page they want to be on.
Right, so the first thing to do is choose the keywords and to jump into the mind of the person who wants to visit the site and figure out what they're going to use the keywords.
Yeah, one of the things that probably would be worth to say is that Google is using the reputation from other websites to the side, not just the social media, but
Sorry,
also
that's possibly the
let's
most
say that,
important thing.
that your website is inside the Yahoo directory.
Yeah.
Yahoo is quite reliable.
So at the outset when Google started, that was their main algorithm, which is this interconnected graph theory thing where they're saying the number of links to this site plus this reputation. Actually, that's not the highest priority thing in Google.
We've got time for one very quick question. You showed earlier a JSON structure just describing what the page content is. Can we see an example of what that looks like?
Okay.
I'll be
No,
on my
my
slides.
slides.
Sorry, the schema marker.
Can I make a suggestion?
Yeah,
Do you-
we'll do that.
Yeah.
Can I
Oh,
add
yeah,
it?
it's there. And
If this doesn't load, or maybe you could post this to mailing